My name is Lieutenant Johnathan Rohde, and my research was focused on using a monocular computer vision algorithm to aid a ground vehicle's navigation solution when operating in an environment that has less than 4 satellite vehicles available from the Global Positioning System, GPS. Currently, there are very few viable alternatives that provide a good navigation solution when operating without a fully functional GPS. The alternative methods that are available tend to be very costly and cannot be afforded by the average user. My research develops a system that uses affordable, commercial, off-the-shelf items that can be purchased by anyone and can be used to operate in a GPS-limited environment. The performance of my research was tested by placing a single camera on top of a car and tracking objects that were seen by the camera through multiple images taken at separate instances. If objects seen in the image were thought to be stationary, i.e. trees, buildings, street signs, the movement of the objects in the image were then thought to be produced by the actual movements of the vehicle. By tracking the movements of these objects over time, the actual trajectory of the vehicle could be determined. The solution that was provided by the camera was then integrated with the solution provided by the GPS. This process was repeated numerous times, with a different number of satellite vehicles being provided to the GPS each time. The trajectory is attained when operating with the GPS alone, and when using a camera and GPS were then used to determine the amount of aiding that the forward-facing camera provided to the accuracy of the system. By combining a camera with the GPS, a better detection of the trajectory seen by the vehicle could be attained when a fully functional GPS was not available. The end result gave a navigation solution that could be used when the GPS outages or degradation were experienced. There's definitely a lot of hard work that is required here, and they definitely want you to produce, good work and good research along with a good thesis, so that way you can pass the legacy on to the next individual. I feel like everything that we do here is relevant. It's all a big piece of the puzzle that we're trying to solve. I feel like AFIT is the best place for me to study because it's somewhere where traditional Air Force people have gone, and it's kind of like following into the footsteps of the former leaders. I would definitely encourage the individuals to come here to AFIT. Like I said, the experience is something you can't really talk about, but it's something that you'll see once you get here. The camaraderie from the people that you go to school with, you make friends that I'm sure that'll last a lifetime.